The following program is brought to you by Freedom Mini Dental Implants, giving you the freedom to smile.
Welcome, I'm Jean West. You know, your smile says everything about you. When you greet your friends and your family, you smile. And when you take a picture or your selfie, first thing you hear is smile. So what if you don't like your smile? You know what? It can be fixed. Welcome to Giving You the Freedom to Smile. Dr. Regan Ackerman is joining us here, and we're talking about mini dental implants. Now, I think people may be familiar with implants.
Yes, yeah.
What are mini dental implants?
The mini dental implants are essentially just a small diameter implant. Conventional implants are just a large diameter, and the mini dental implants is just a smaller version of that. But what makes that better is that they're a lot less invasive, a lot less costly, a lot less recovery time. There's so many benefits of it. Essentially, a dental implant is a little titanium alloy, screw that acts like the root of the tooth. And there's many ways we can use these implants. And the mini dental implant, can make a much smaller hole for the mini implant, a lot less invasive, and we can help people replace missing teeth, help them keep their dentures in better, benefit them in so many ways. The biggest thing I do is help denture wearers. I mean, nobody wants to use that denture glue. Yeah. They're worried about their teeth falling out. They can't chew, they can't smile, do the things they want to do. And these mini dental implants are a great way for people to be able to snap in their denture, keep their teeth in, have that confidence and that smile that you were talking about.
Besides denture wearers, though, there are other people who could benefit from this technology as well.
For sure. Some people, through trauma, they're missing one tooth, or they have what we call a partial, and they're missing, multiple teeth, but they wear this bulky piece of plastic in their mouth that they take in and out, and they're tired of doing that, and they want something more permanent. So we can definitely replace, one tooth, 2 teeth, 3 teeth, or like we said, if you're missing all your teeth with these mini dental implants.
Who's your typical patient?
I mean, honestly, the age range, I've seen 18-year-olds and I've seen 90-year-olds. A lot of people come to me because, they've kind of lost hope. They didn't think there was another option out there for them. They were either told they weren't a candidate for these conventional big implants, or they couldn't afford the big implants, or they were told they needed major surgery like bone grafts and sinus lifts and things like that. And with the mini dental implants, a lot of times we don't have to do any of that surgery, because I don't have to have a lot of bone. I just have to have a little bit of bone to be able to place these mini dental implants.
Okay, we're going to be talking more about the implants, even look at some and even look at the procedure.
Yes.
Yeah. So, and here's some folks who've already benefited from these services.
Life before the mini implants was miserable because I couldn't eat anything. The glue that I was using, it's just always in your mouth and ruined the taste of everything you ate. And when you were out speaking, you were concerned about the denture staying in place. But with the mini implants now, I can do anything, eat anything. Yeah, and then I got to thinking, that glue, when it got dry, it was hard. I thought, what's it doing to the inside of me? And so that's one of the biggest reasons why I went with implants, was because of the glue. Yeah. I chose you all because the office staff, how friendly you were, and Dr. Ackerman, how personal and friendly she was to us. And I just felt, really, really secure about what I was doing. I had a lot of fear because when I was a kid, I didn't like going to the dentist, and because it's all relate back to pain, but there was none with this. That's what shocked me was, I came in, you put the implants in, and the next day I couldn't even tell you'd done anything, and it was just I was kind of blown, set back because it was painless basically.
Uncomfortable dentures or missing teeth can make life miserable. Mini dental implants are a better way to replace your missing teeth. Get rid of the glue and snap your dentures in tight, or get new permanent teeth so you don't wear a denture at all with no surgery, minimal healing, and half the cost of traditional surgical implants. Right now, get a snap-in denture for as little as $183 per month. Visit freedomimplants.com or call 937-4930 today.
So let's talk about who is the best patient for a mini dental implant. You talked about those denture wearers, but there are
Yes.
other folks too who could use this technology.
Definitely. You don't have to be wearing dentures to have these mini dental implants. A lot of people might be just missing one tooth or 2 or 3 teeth. I see a lot of patients that have lost their molars in the back and they want some teeth to chew with again. So we're able to use these mini dental implants and replace those, what I call your big chewers, so you can chew again, because they want to chew steak and carrots and all those things again. And age, that doesn't matter. I see, as young as
who's your typical patient? You'd be surprised, right?
18 years old to 90-year-olds, and people will say, why would a 90-year-old do this? Our lives revolve around eating, and at 90, they want to eat and socialize and do the things they love to do too. So a lot of times we're able to, stabilize a denture for them or things like that. But, anybody really is a candidate for these implants. It's very rare that I have to tell somebody they are not a candidate for these implants. A lot of what I do is help people that didn't think they had an option. They were told they weren't a candidate for the conventional implants, that they had to have sinus lifts or bone grafts and things like that. And with the mini dental implants, they are a candidate, and I'm able to replace their missing teeth, get them out of a partial, or get them out of a denture, and things like that. So anyone can really be a candidate.
It's surprising that so many people don't know about mini dental implants. Why do you think that is?
That's a great question. So, the technology's been around for 10 plus years. A lot of people are fearful of the dentist. Let's just admit it, right? Nobody, I hear it all the time. I like you, but I don't like the dentist. So a lot of people have avoided the dentist, or they've been through just years and years of fillings and root canals, and they're tired of spending money on their teeth, and they're afraid and things like that. So they haven't been to the dentist, and they don't know that this is an option now. It's a lot less invasive. It's not major surgery, less costly and everything. So, a lot of people just probably haven't been to the dentist and don't know this is an option, or the dentist they've been going to, doesn't know this is an option. I've gone to extensive training and learned about these mini dental implants so that I can provide this service to my patients.
So if someone is watching and they really want a pretty smile,
yes.
What's the first step? How do they go about investigating what is available to them?
Yes, so we do free consultations at my office. So, first step is call our office and set up, it's a free consultation. It is no charge whatsoever. And we'll take a 3D x-ray at no charge. And I will, do an exam and talk to them about what they want and what their options are and go over costs. So the first step is just giving me a call and getting that free consultation and let me, see how I can help them out.
Okay, and here's some folks that have been helped by just calling.
So over the years, I just had lost my teeth on the left side, and I was not able to chew on that side. I had to chew on the other side, and it was very hard to chew any kind of steak or anything that was hard. I had a flipper, and which were the teeth that you put in, and you have to use adhesive for them, and that sometimes the adhesive would fail and they would slip when I was eating. Sometimes at the end of the day I would have to carry a tube with me because they might come loose. It was very embarrassing. Sometimes I could not eat. I could not bite into things with a flipper. It was very hard to deal with until I got the permanent teeth. And now with the implants, I don't have to worry about it at all. The day we put the implants in, I was surprised how quickly it was done. Everything was prepared before I came in, and they fit perfectly. There was no adjustment that had to be done. They were the right color, and it was painless. It was very, very much painless. That is just like having my teeth back. It was magical when I got the implants. It was magical, and I thought it's like I grew my teeth back.
Uncomfortable dentures or missing teeth can make life miserable. Mini dental implants are a better way to replace your missing teeth. Get rid of the glue and snap your dentures in tight. Or get new permanent teeth so you don't wear a denture at all with no surgery, minimal healing, and half the cost of traditional surgical implants. Right now, get a snap-in denture for as little as $183 per month. Visit freedomimplants.com or call 937-4930 today.
Many people may be already know about implants. Tell us how mini dental implants are different from your typical implants that we're used to hearing about.
Very different in a good way.
In a good way.
A lot less invasive. When I place a mini dental implant, I'm not doing any incisions, no stitches, it is no surgery, very minimally invasive. Just a little numbing, make a tiny little hole in the gum, place the implant. So a lot less invasive. And these mini dental implants are essentially small diameter implants. So they're just like the conventional implant, just a smaller diameter. And they've been around for 10 plus years. So it's not new technology, but a lot of people just don't know about it. Especially denture wearers. They haven't been to the dentist in maybe 10 years, and they don't know this option is there for them. So the mini dental implants is just a great solution.
So you have some examples. Show me what you're talking about.
Yeah, so this is a perfect way to show kind of the difference between the conventional implant and the small diameter implant or the mini dental implant. So this big hole, that's the hole for the conventional implant. When they're placing this, they're making an incision, stitches. It has to heal up a lot longer, up to 6 months or a year sometimes. With this, now the little hole, which is kind of hard to see sometimes, that's the hole that I make when I place a mini dental implant. No incisions, no stitches. The recovery time is minimal. I have people that go to work the next day after I place these mini dental implants. Some patients, we're replacing a single tooth, they don't even take pain medication and they're back to work. I've had a patient place a mini dental implant in the morning, they went to work right after that, okay? So a lot less recovery time with these mini dental implants.
Okay, so this is your most common.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is the snap-in denture. And with the snap-in denture, we're able to help out those denture wearers where they don't have to use denture glue anymore. And then their denture will snap on to these implants. Get rid of all that denture glue, and also know that you can eat more and chew more, eat that cheeseburger you've been dying to eat and that steak. So this is the most common thing we do.
So what if you want to get rid of dentures altogether?
Yes, so this is the nicest thing we do, and I love doing this for patients. This is the permanent teeth. So we'll just place more implants with the permanent teeth, but then we're able to make kind of a bridge of teeth. This will cement onto these implants, and then it's permanently in your mouth. And then you get rid of the denture completely. You don't have anything on the roof of your mouth. You lose all the bulkiness of the denture. You're gonna brush it like you normally brush your teeth, and we give you a water pick, a little water flosser to keep it clean. But you can pretty much eat anything you want with this. We say this is kind of like getting your third set of teeth back. This is the closest thing to getting your natural teeth back, and it's the greatest thing. People can taste their food better.
So what if you only need 1 or 2 teeth?
Yeah, so we don't always have to be doing a whole mouth. If you're just missing 2 or 3 teeth, same thing with the mini dental implants. We're able to place the implants and then cement this on top of those implants. You get rid of that partial, or if you were missing those teeth to chew with, you can chew again. Or I see it all the time, this front tooth, say they got hit a baseball bat or a sports injury, we can replace just 1 tooth with the mini dental implant. A lot less healing time. You don't have to wait 6 months to a year to get your tooth like with the conventional implants. Usually within a day or a month you have your tooth back.
It is really amazing how it is changing people's lives.
My life before implants, for me, it was a huge self-confidence issue. I felt like whenever I approached someone, whenever I met someone for the first time, the first thing they noticed was my dental situation. So for me, getting this procedure done was a huge self-confidence builder. I anticipated, before having the procedure done, that I would have a boost in self-confidence, but only until after I had it done did I feel the true, amount of self-confidence. It was like I feel like I beam self-confidence now. I chose Dr. Ackerman because when I first came into the office, one of the first things I noticed was a sense of family. They understand that, when someone comes in and is contemplating having these procedures done, they're naturally a little apprehensive. There's a little bit of fear, some uncertainty, and one of the first things that they worked to do was to calm a lot of those fears. And by them treating you as family and being able to answer, in a compassionate way, each and every one of your questions, for me, that's exactly why I chose Dr. Ackerman. I was very encouraged when talking with you all about how comparatively simple the procedure was, and more specifically the recovery time. When I talked to you all and you all explained, the average recovery window, to me that was a big deciding factor with going with the mini dental implants over the full surgical implants. When it came to financing options, it was extremely easy. I actually was rather impressed with the level and multiple financing options there were. Being able to custom tailor the terms of the financing agreement with regards to the APR and the overall length of time of financing. Having those, not just having just one financing option given to you, yes or no. You got to choose from a vast array of terms, for financing. So.
Uncomfortable dentures or missing teeth can make life miserable. Mini dental implants are a better way to replace your missing teeth. Get rid of the glue and snap your dentures in tight. Or get new permanent teeth so you don't wear a denture at all. All with no surgery, minimal healing, and half the cost of traditional surgical implants. Right now, get a snap-in denture for as little as $183 per month. Visit freedomimplants.com or call 937-4930 today.
So what got you interested in doing the mini dental implants?
So I was a general dentist for 12 years, was doing fillings and crowns and root canals, and I just saw my patients struggling. When they had to have a tooth extracted or had dentures and, just struggling with dentures and partials and missing teeth. And I discovered these mini dental implants, and it was eye-opening for me, and it was a way to, help my patients and give them another option. If they didn't have any hope that they could get in a better dental situation with their dentures.
Tell me more about your training. How did you, what goes into certifying or learning to do this procedure?
Definitely. A lot of continuing education hours, that's for sure. Mm-hmm. I started, kind of discovered them. I took a course with Dr. Shatkin probably about 6 years ago. Fell in love with the mini dental implants. Dr. Shatkin has a state-of-the-art facility in New York. He's kind of one of the ones that patented this process. So I go up to New York and do many, many hours of continuing education to, stay on top of the technology and keep all the options open to my patients and everything like that. So.
Do you know how many you've done?
I'm definitely in the thousands for sure. I mean, each week I've probably placed anywhere, at least 50 implants a week. So the experience is there, and I really enjoy doing it.
Make it a point to stay on top of all the technology, which I would imagine continues to change and improve.
Yes, and that's, we were talking about the 3D X-ray. That's fairly new to our practice, and it has been just wonderful. It gives me so much more information to be able to treat patients, and that X-ray is part of our free consultation. It's no charge, so welcome anyone that's interested or think I can help you to please come for the free consultation and the 3D X-ray. Kind of the most common thing I do is the snap-in denture, where we're able to use these mini dental implants, and when I place these, I'm not doing any incisions or stitches. It is minimally invasive. And the day I place these mini dental implants, you'll have your denture and it will snap on to the implants that same day. You will leave with your denture snapped on to the implants that same day. But probably my favorite thing to do is throw the denture away completely for patients. And that is the permanent teeth, where we can get rid of the denture completely. We place the mini dental implants, and then we're able to make just a bridge of teeth, and these will cement onto those implants, and they are permanently in your mouth. Then there's nothing on the roof of your mouth. You can taste your food again. You can, you're going to brush them just like you brush teeth. We give you a water pick to keep them clean. But this is definitely the nicest thing we do too for patients, where they can taste food again and have permanent teeth that don't come out, and a lot less costly than the conventional implants, and a lot less recovery time. Everything's just better with the mini dental implants.
And you don't always have to do the full set either.
Right. We can do just a single tooth. I see a lot of people,
Front tooth.
Yep, that sports injury, or there's always a good story when you've lost your front tooth. And so we're able to replace just one tooth with the mini dental implant, and then have a tooth that will cement onto the implant, and then that is cemented on permanently. You don't have to wear a partial anymore, or this thing we call flipper, and those patients that have it know what it is, because it's not fun to wear. We can also do just 2 or 3 teeth. A lot of people are missing their back teeth, and they can't chew anymore. They may still have their smile with their front teeth, but silently they are suffering because they can't chew their food. So we can place the mini dental implants and cement permanent teeth onto those implants. They can chew again. They don't have to wear a partial. It's life-changing for people. It really is.
Yes, it is.
Well, it's changed my life dramatically, because being a pastor's wife, you see a lot of people, and my teeth were just, unbearable. And I tried to keep them, fixed, but it's changed my life so much, and everybody comments on how good they look, and I just feel so much confident with my teeth. I can talk and eat anything I want. I can smile. The recovery for me, was not that long, and I didn't have to take a lot of medicine. In fact, everything was good in about a week. My life has changed so much because of my kids, for one, because they're always saying, oh, Mama, you look so good and you look younger. Because, when you don't have dentures or have your real teeth, it makes you look old, and it makes you feel old, and it makes you feel like it just, I can't put it into words really. I was just, sometimes I would get depressed, because my sisters didn't have to deal with this. Why did I? But now I have that confidence, and it's just it's just a whole world of difference. It's just a whole world of difference. I would recommend Dr. Ackerman highly, very highly. Dr. Ackerman was really patient with me. She explained, the procedures, and yes, I would recommend Dr. Ackerman very highly.
After placing the mini implants, there was no bleeding. There was no soreness. It felt a little different because I hadn't had teeth there. But after I got used to it, I don't even notice it now. Like I say, it feels like I grew new teeth.
Uncomfortable dentures or missing teeth can make life miserable. Mini dental implants are a better way to replace your missing teeth. Get rid of the glue and snap your dentures in tight. Or get new permanent teeth so you don't wear a denture at all. All with no surgery, minimal healing, and half the cost of traditional surgical implants. Right now, get a snap-in denture for as little as $183 per month. Visit freedomimplants.com or call 937-4930 today.
Giving you the freedom to smile. I got to tell you, why do people need this?
So many people are, not smiling because they're, afraid their denture is going to fall out, or they're missing a tooth, or they're struggling with their partial. So many people, can benefit from the mini dental implants to regain their smile and get that confidence back again.
And it's important to you for these patients. Again, they can't go out in public.
Right.
changes their lives.
It's life-changing. A lot of people, I had one patient that said, people always thought I was angry or mad or depressed because I never smiled. And once we were able to give them their smile back again, they're like, I smile all the time now. And people are like, you're so much happier. And she just didn't ever want to smile because she was embarrassed of her smile and her teeth. And, and a lot of people think, oh, I'm going to get all my teeth taken out and get dentures and all my problems will be solved. But then they just have a new set of problems. They're using denture glue and they can't eat what they want to eat. So that's what these mini dental implants do. They give people the freedom to smile again and chew.
And less invasive.
Yes.
Less costly.
Yes.
Than the traditional. Easy to get to you and to find out if they are candidates for this procedure.
Yes. Less recovery time. Conventional implants, I've had people say it took me like a year to get my tooth. With the mini dental implants, a lot less time. Like you said, less recovery, less costly, less invasive. It checks all the boxes. I know it sounds too good to be true, but it's not. It really does work.
It really is. And then you can eat.
Yes.
In 24 hours or so.
Yes, most procedure, within 24, 48 hours, people are chewing again and smiling again and doing what they want to do with their smile and their teeth. So.
My life after my implants is great. I can eat when I want to. I don't have glue in my mouth. I can don't have to worry about my dentures flying out, and they're secure, and I recommend them to everyone.
We do go out socially more. We have our friends that I wouldn't go out to eat with them because, like I said, I couldn't bite or anything. But yes, we have a lot of friends, and we go out and we spend time, and it's just amazing how your teeth can make you just want to smile. You just want to, you want to show the world, look how much better I look. It's great.
I find with the mini implants that I have more confidence in talking to people and my appearance and my speech is better since I have had those done.
After I've had the mini dental implants put in, now I'm pretty much able to eat any food I want. Whereas before I had to be more selective on which foods to eat. Now I eat steak, corn on the cob. There's not any foods that I'm not able to eat. So.
I said, Dr. Ackerman gave me my smile back.
Uncomfortable dentures or missing teeth can make life miserable. Mini dental implants are a better way to replace your missing teeth. Get rid of the glue and snap your dentures in tight. Or get new permanent teeth so you don't wear a denture at all. All with no surgery, minimal healing, and half the cost of traditional surgical implants. Right now, get a snap-in denture for as little as $183 per month. Visit freedomimplants.com or call 937-4930 today.
Dr. Ackerman, thank you so much for coming on and educating us about this exciting technology that you're providing to the community.
Thank you for having me. I really appreciate it. And I just want everybody to know I'm just a phone call away. You can find me at our website, freedomimplants.com. Please call and set up a free consultation.
Thank you so much. And thank you for watching Giving You the Freedom to Smile. I'm Jean West. Have a great day.
Giving you the freedom to smile. Visit freedomimplants.com or call 937-4930 today. The preceding program has been brought to you by Freedom Mini Dental Implants.